Hello everyone, this is XMX, but you can call me back to rant sa punta. Diyos ko po. I'll be ranting to time if there's time. Yeah. My voice is a little bit pitched because samok oy. Magbisaya na lang ko niya tapi English sumo. Mag English Bisaya tani. Ini paana na lang basta go. Understand na lang mo sumo. Anyway, since karong May 29 mag-shutdown or mawala na ang Pesonet, I need you to donate me to help me because yes, we need Robux. I need Robux for Game Pass and I'll be donating others too. So yes, understand B, sumo, kapoy. Anyway, this is my username kung mag-donate lang mo. Kabalo kong reach mo, makalagot. I-donate ko! Ay, nagpagduha-duha. I-donate ako. Ang dira ako username. Bantay, mag-check ko ha. Pero ipas kapag nakuha ako mag-check ko ha. Kay babay mo. Love you, my ining cookie.